Hi, I'm Charles for ToolSmart. Here's a riddle. How many gallons of paint does it take to turn this room from harvest gold into ocean breeze? To get it absolutely right the first time, you need more than a measuring tape. You need the precision of a ToolSmart laser distance measurer from General Tools. With the laser distance measurer and ToolSmart app, it takes just seconds to measure a whole room with absolute accuracy. Measurements are sent wirelessly to the ToolSmart app, and voila! The app even adjusts for extra coats and primer, subtracts space for doors and windows, and puts those raw measurements into real-world numbers you can take to the home improvement store. And it's not just for paint. Use the laser distance measurer to get precise measurements for crown molding, flooring, tile, wallpaper, and more. So here's a riddle. What does it take to deliver laser-precise measurements in seconds? The ToolSmart Laser Distance Measurer from General Tools. I'm Charles for ToolSmart.